I do. Yes, yes. Sure, sure, sure. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Yes, okay. Okay, bye. Hi, Babula.
Hey, hi, Josh.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Doing good.
Okay, so what of the bench resources?
Bench resources, yeah, we are looking into it. There are no new projects. That's why we are planning some new POCs or new ideas so that it keeps them occupied.
Sure, make
Yeah.
sure all resources should be occupied and productive.
Yeah. I'll surely look into it and I'll keep you updated regarding that.
Okay.
Anything else, Bifi?
Nothing. ಅದೇನ್ರಿ ಟೂ ಡೇ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಏನದು
ಏ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಅದೇನೋ ಒಂದು 2 minutes ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ನೂಡಲ್ಸ್ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೋದಂತ
2 minutes ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ನೂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ
Okay.
ಆಕ್ಷನ್
Yes?
Hi Babu, can I come in?
Yeah, hi Prabhu. Yeah, have a seat.
So, hi Babu, good morning.
Yeah, hi Prabhu. How are you?
Yeah, fine, how are you?
How was your day?
Day was okay.
Okay,
Good.
cool. It looks like we had a status meeting today.
Yes, we had...
Where is
we had a-
Naresh?
Naresh, he got stuck in traffic. He's at graphic signal, so he'll be coming another 10 minutes, I guess.
Okay, cool. It's 8:15. Let's see. Let's wait for 15 minutes and check.
Yes,
Then he'll come
sure.
here. What is this, Prabhu? It's nearly 1 hour. Where is he? The meeting time is getting over.
Babu, actually, he got stuck in traffic. So even I thought he'll be coming early. Let's hope for the best. He should, by the time he should have came. Let's see.
I don't believe this. This is not right. Yeah, what else we can do? We'll wait and see.
Yes,
Yeah.
obviously, there's no other option. I have to wait.
Yeah. What, Naresh? Why are you late today?
Yeah, actually I stuck at traffic. Near
2
traffic
hours?
Signal.
2
Yeah.
hours is too much.
Nearly I have stuck for 2 hours near traffic signal.
Oh, Bangalore traffic is that bad?
Yeah. I heard there is alternative route which is free.
Oh, yeah, it would be good if you had taken that route.
Yeah, but we wish we could have a mobile app that tells the traffic density.
Oh, that's a good idea. क्या idea sir जी? सीख लीजिए.
Yeah.
We'll talk about it. So, yeah, explain me your idea. What is it?
Yeah, actually we were discussing a mobile app that shows the traffic density and choose people to choose alternative route so that they will reach office on time.
Okay, that's cool. So you guys submit your synopsis to me so that I can review it and give a go ahead.
Actually, Babu, we have already discussed on this topic and we have made our synopsis ready.
Oh, uh-huh. That looks like a great synopsis to me. So let me just go through it. Nice idea, guys.
Yeah, thank
Start
you.
working on it and involve all the other bench resources.
Yeah.
And also, Naresh, hopefully you will come early from next time.
Yeah, sure. Once this app is developed, I will make sure.
Yeah, I also hope for it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
we'll
you.
Thank you.
confirm.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Naresh, Prabhu, how are you?
Yeah, fine, Babu. How are you?
Fine. So, how's your app going on? Is it done?
Vacation, it's done actually. We have completed working on it.
Oh, and what about the testing?
Yeah, actually testing BU is out of running short of bench resources.
Oh, that's cool.
దేవుడికే తెలియాలి టెస్టింగ్ చేస్తారు.
Okay, at least I hope that the unit testing is done from your end once.
Yes, unit testing has been done and we got the confirmation from the business analyst also. So
Mhm.
we have done our part.
Okay, cool. So then, BA has tested, then I think we have to look at that app once.
Yes, hopefully we'll be fine. Sure, I'll show it. Yeah, have a look at it.
Oh, cool, man. This is pretty cool. I can see all the traffic data in it. Yeah, man, this is really a great thing. We can take it forward. Yeah. And I hope guys like you, if in every BU has, then bench time is utilized very well. Yeah. Great work, guys.
Thank you.
Give it up.
Yeah, thank you, Babu.
Do you belong to this batch? Yeah. Yes, sir. 3 months, sir. Okay, come in. You don't call here people with as sir or madam. You need to call with name. I'm Manish. I will be taking your class.
ओके मनीष
What is the time now?
सर नहीं है सर वॉच नहीं है क्या आपके पास
Did you say something?
नो नथिंग सर इट इज 10:30
What happened? Why you were late?
आई कम फ्रॉम विजयनगर सर सॉरी मनीष it takes me around 1 hour normally but due to traffic it took me 3 hours. It's 30 kilometers away, so that's why I was late.
Your friends have come in time.
Okay.
Please speak with them.
Yeah.
And make sure you manage your time properly.
How come you come early, man? I came by bike.
Oh, that looks like a great
Hey,
idea.
from tomorrow I'll also bring bike.
Yeah, tomorrow we can do that. Yeah.
We'll catch up and come by bike so that we'll
Yeah.
reach early.
Yeah,
we can,
that's a
we
great
can leave
idea.
also late, yeah.
Yeah, that's a
We
great
get
idea.
more time at home. Bike, let's come by bike tomorrow.
Yeah. Sure.
ಯಪ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಇದು
ಏನ್ ಮಗ ಇದು
ಏನೋ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ
ಅದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್
ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್
ಅದೇ
ಗುಡ್
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ
Yes? I think you guys were late yesterday also.
Yeah.
What's the reason?
Traffic at graphite signal. Yesterday we came by bus, still it was late. Today we thought of coming by bike, but still it was late.
I know Bangalore traffic is a problematic situation to everybody, but try and ensure coming on time
Yeah.
because you miss out a lot of things in classes. Hope you guys come on time tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, please have a seat.
Yeah. Thank you.
So email.
What happened, guys? You are late again today?
क्या करो यार we left home at 7:30 यार we thought we will reach early and again 7:30 also heavy traffic for me.
How do you come, man?
I stayed nearby, man. Just behind the Satya site.
That's why also.
Man, we'll reach early today.
Yeah, man. What to do? But hopefully, at least we'll not get stuck in the traffic.
Yeah, and no scolding from HR also.
Yeah.
And the trainer.
See that
My
guy?
God.
He is sleeping now itself.
Hey man, wake up.
I think.
Oh, let's sleep first.
It looks like Ricky has come, man.
Yeah,
We have to get up. Wake him up.
Wake up, man. Let's go.
Oh man, this is tiring. Chalo, chalo, get up.
Come, man. It's empty, man.
Yeah, man.
It's so early.
This looks totally empty. Nothing is there. What shall we do?
I'm feeling very hungry yaar I want to have something.
Yeah, I think we'll do that. We'll take something from that vending machine which never vends anything.
Yeah, I'll take my bag.
Yeah. Let's keep the bags here and go.
We'll go.
Feeling sleepy, yeah. Chalo, we will go and sleep in that dormitory. Anyhow, people on bench sleep there. Yeah. Not a big issue.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Chalo, let's go.
Come.
I'm totally tired.
I'm not able to stand also. Yeah.
I'm going to sleep, man, guys. Good night.
Hey, good morning, yaar. Only 1 hour sleep. Guys, it's 11.
Why are you shouting, man? What? It's
11, yeah. Oh my god, again.
Oh my god. I think. Chalo, let's get ready.
Yeah, best idea. We'll sleep by evening and we'll leave once a while.
Hey, no, get up.
have to attend the training.
We have to go. We have to go and attend the training. Chalo.
Let's run.
Chalo, guys, get ready soon.
Again, we have to get scoldings, yeah.
Yeah, man. Hi, Manish.
What's the time now? 11 o'clock. Are you coming late to the office?
Yeah. We came early. Every day it was late, so we thought we'll come early, but we slept off in the dormitory.
No. I don't want to hear any excuses.
Only,
3 days
this
I
last
have-
one time, Manish.
No. Don't want to listen anything. Please go and meet your HR. You have been suspended.
We are really sorry.
Sorry, Manish.
Don't disturb the class. Please carry on.
Hey, yeah, new movies, yeah, that, what is it, 2-day production.
Oh, 2-day production. I also heard about that.
Yeah, let's go, man. Half an hour, yeah, bus will leave. What shall we do? Half an hour, yeah.
Hey, leave that, man. See that. See there. Any buses you see? After 2 hours also, no buses will be there. We can aram se go, watch the movie and come back. So we'll
right,
go for
that's
the movie
right.
and come back. Chalo.
Yeah, okay.
Chalo, we'll go. Hey Vinay, I think today we are going to reach on time.
Huh, man, we are going to reach in time and
Yeah.
it's more fun, yeah, going in car. And moreover, I got a nice sleep today.
Yeah, carpooling is so much fun. We can
Yeah.
save fuel as well as we friends together can go on time, come back on time. I think we should suggest all our office mates to do the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Coming on bike, better come on car together. 4-5 people can come and go.
Yeah, better
Yeah.
than that black face. This is good.
Yeah, this is better. Yeah, I hear something. I think the ambulance is honking.
Oh, Right.
I think we should give weight for it.
Hey, come on, yaar. We are in graphite signal and in this traffic.
Yeah.
I think an helicopter should come down and lift it up. No ways.
Can't help. God only has
Sorry,
to
yaar.
say. Yeah.
Sorry.
I was just really like this journey because it's really except for the traffic. Yeah, that's a sad part of the metro city. Come, let's take in the tour of the Delhi. Thank you, Narsu, for coming down to our campus. I hope you like the campus.
Absolutely, yes, and I think it's a very beautiful campus. I liked it a lot.
Thank you so much. Well, coming down to our project progress, is there anything else that you would like to know more about? And is there anything else that you want to know about the team or something like that?
Actually, I think the project is doing very good. It's a dedicated team and they're doing a very good job.
Thank you so much.
However, there is one thing. The IT department, my team wanted to have a look at the arrangements for the server room. So, can you just show me how it's set up over
Yeah,
there?
sure, why not? Let me take you to the server room right now. Please join me, sir.
Dude, we managed to reach on time.
Yeah, that's great. The heavy traffic.
Absolutely horrible traffic. Anyway, thanks, Hasin. It was really
You're
nice
welcome.
meeting you.
Same here.
Hope to meet you soon again.
Definitely.
All right.
And don't forget to give me a call once you reach your city.
Absolutely. I'll give you a call once.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thanks.
bye-bye.
Cheers. It's been more than 2 hours. I think I should call Hasin. Maybe he should have reached the office by now. I'll ask him to send that file, which I wanted.
Narsimha is going to call. Hello? Hi, Narsimha.
Hello, Hasin. How are you? Yes. I reached Hyderabad already. I'm almost reaching my hotel. Yep. Actually, there's one file which I wanted. Is it possible for you to mail it to me? You must have reached office by now. You haven't? Where are you right now? Oh my god, Bangalore traffic. I almost reached Hyderabad and you haven't reached office yet? That's so weird. Just give me a call once you reach office.
Yeah, sure, Narsimha. Once I reach office, I'll just send it to you right away. Alright? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
What is this, man? This train has not yet arrived. I don't know when it comes.
This train will never run on time. It's okay. Let's see. This who will stop us in graphite?
Yeah, let's see this time.
Yeah. Nobody can stop us.
Exactly.
ಮುಂದೆ
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Now the most awaited award of Scintillations 2013, the Eagle Award, and it goes to Traffic Density App, TDA. I request Mr. Narasimhan to give away this award to Babulal.
TDA is a very interesting concept that came up during one of the SMR meetings, and Babulal and his team were identified to make this dream a reality. I would request Babulal to give us insights on how this app was developed and how his team contributed to the same.
First of all, I would like to thank Narasimhan for this wonderful award and also my entire team. Unfortunately, it's not here for their efforts in developing this app. They are right now promoting this app at various locations. When we started developing this app, traffic was the main problem in Bangalore, maybe everywhere in the world too. Once we started developing this app and finished the development, people started using it up. Nowadays, we see the traffic problems in Bangalore has reduced a lot. And it's also nice to see it's making noise at the world level. What I would like to say finally is that I feel at last every person's dream in Bangalore to roam free has been realized. Thank you.